Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use tracing paper to transfer an image from a source diagram into your sketchbook. Here is the image that I'm going to trace today, and then you can use any tracing paper that you can get from any art store. In addition, you'll need a sharp pencil, a soft pencil 4B or 6B, press stick or super tack, and an eraser. I'm going to start by sticking the tracing paper to the page because it's so easy for the tracing paper to slip and for me to lose my place in my outline. Then I'm going to start with a sharp B or HB pencil and make my initial outline of the image onto the tracing paper. I prefer a slightly harder B or HB pencil for the outlining here that is very sharp, just so that we don't get excessive smudging on both sides of the tracing paper. Having learned the hard way by doing the next step that we're about to do on top of what I've just done here instead of at the back, I now make sure that I indicate the front of the tracing paper every single time so that I don't make the same mistake again. There are two choices with regards to what to do next. If you don't mind a mirror image of the diagram that you've just traced, you can turn the tracing paper over and simply use a soft pencil, rub over the top, and you will get a mirror image transfer into your sketchbook. But today I'm going to go for the image to be transferred right side up. So I'm going to start by removing the super tack, and then I'm going to turn the image over with the front side down onto a scrap piece of paper. Then I'm going to take a soft 4B or 6B pencil, and then I'm going to go over all of the lines with that soft pencil. Now I'm going to transfer the image into my actual sketchbook. I've got the tracing paper and I'm going to turn it over so that the front side is facing upwards now. And then I'm going to stick it back into my book to make sure that the tracing paper doesn't slip whilst I'm transferring the image. I will go back to using my sharp HB or B pencil and go over all of the lines again. When you think that you are done, just do a quick check underneath by lifting the tracing paper to see if there are any lines that you have missed. This is the reason why we stick the paper down onto the page, so that we don't lose our place if we need to go back in and edit. Once I'm happy that the image is transferred, I can remove the tracing paper and the super tack off of my sketchbook. You can remove any excess graphite transfer on the page using an eraser. Because I use line and wash, my next step here will be to go in with pen, so I'm less concerned about any graphite transfer, but if it does get in your way at all, you can remove as much graphite as you can if you're about to go straight into a painting layer and not go in with ink as a second layer. There we go, the tracing is done and we're ready for the next step. In the next video, we will complete this sketch in line and wash. I'll see you there.